Combining two series into a data frame in pandas. I have two series S1 and S2 with the same, non-consecutive, indices. How do I combine S1 and S2 to be in two columns in a data frame and keep one of the indices as a third column?
I think concat is a nice way to do this. If they are present, it uses the name attributes of the series as the columns, otherwise it simply numbers them. Note, this extends to more than two series.
Why don't you just use to underscore frame if both have the same indexes equals v0.23 v0.23. Pandas will automatically align these past in series and create the joint index. They happen to be the same here. Reset underscore index moves the index to a column.
If I may answer this. The fundamentals behind converting series to data frame is to understand that 1. At conceptual level, every column in data frame is a series. 2. And, every column name is a key name that maps to a series. If you keep above two concepts in mind, you can think of many ways to convert series to data frame. One easy solution will be like this. Create two series here. Create an empty data frame with just desired column names. Put series value inside data frame using mapping concept. Check results now.